Just take a look around you and you'll see it for yourself. Your friends have already gotten their hands on the latest smartwatches and smart gadgets. Your parents are probably using Alexa to set alarms and listen to songs. And your TV is listening to you more than your child ever will. Yes, when it comes to omnipresence, IoT is the next big thing after God. Hello there, my name is Asim. If you know me, you know that I've dedicated the last decade of my life to hacking IoT. When the younger generation asks me how they can master the IoT security space, I've never had a simple answer for them. It's not an easy feat, yet. That is why my team and I have collected all of our practical knowledge, real-world experiences, and our exclusive trainings and workshops delivered at top-notch cybersecurity conferences such as Black Hat, DEF CON, Hacking Paris, BrewCon, ZeroCon, Hardware.io, NullCon, and put together all of this knowledge in an easily accessible platform. At EXPLIoT Academy, we are all about giving you the tools and knowledge you need to stay ahead in your career. With our extensive collection of IoT security trainings, you can effortlessly navigate and take your career to new heights. This is where your journey begins. This is how you can start mastering IoT security. This is the path to a successful career in the next big thing, IoT security. And we're excited to kick off our introductory course, The Basics of Hardware Hacking. This course is tailor-made for a diverse group of professionals, including penetration testers tasked with pen testing IoT, government officials working on defensive and offensive units, red team members responsible for compromising IoT infrastructure, security professionals looking to enhance their IoT security skills, bug hunters seeking out new vulnerabilities in IoT products, embedded security enthusiasts, IoT developers and testers, and anyone with keen interest in the world of IoT security. I highly recommend this course to all of you eager to broaden your knowledge and skills in IoT security. So click the link below and join us to take your career to the next level. Thank you.